Welcome to Programming and Problem Solving using Python. This is Rishikesh. In last session, we started our dictionary. So we saw what is dictionary in Python, and we saw the CRUD functionality, that is create, remove, delete, and update methods. So we performed some applications on the dictionary. Today we'll be looking at the methods on the dictionary. So using these methods, we can perform some complex operations on our dictionaries. First method is clear method. So this is how we can use our clear method. So clear method clears all the elements in our existing dictionary, and then we can print out our dictionary to see what is the change that is happened by this clear method. So I will print dictionary, that is D. So now we are getting empty dictionary. So this is clear method. Next method is copy method. So what copy method does, it returns the copy of existing dictionary. Let us say we have another variable that is D1, and we want to store a copy of D inside D1. So we can call copy method on D. So D dot then copy, and this will create the copy of D inside the D1 variable. So we can print D, and then we can also print D1 to see what is copy of D and how it looks. So it will be exactly same. So we are getting D, then our D1. D1 is exact copy of D. So this is copy method. Next method is prom keys method. It creates a new dictionary from given sequence and a value. So we need sequence. Using that sequence, we can create keys for our dictionary, and then the value that will be assigned to those keys. So here I have a sequence as well as values. So our sequence name is keys, and it has values 1 2 3 inside a list. Then our value is arrayed. So now we can create our own dictionary. So let us say D1, and inside D1 we are calling this from keys method on dict, then from keys, and inside from keys it will accept one iterable and then one value. So iterable is keys, and then the value is value, and then we can print out our D1. The keys of this dictionary came from the array that is keys, and the value arrayed is assigned through this value. So this is how we can create our dictionary if we have a iterable and the value using the from keys method. Next method is items method. So items method returns the items array of our items in the dictionary. So let us see, we can call D dot then items, and now we are getting array of items in our dictionary, and each element in the dictionary is written inside a tuple where first value of tuple is key and the second value of tuple is the value of element itself. So this is how we can use items method to get all the items in our dictionary. Next method is keys. So using keys method, we can get the array of keys of our dictionary. So now we are getting a array or a list of our keys of our dictionary. Similar to keys method, we have values method which will return the array of values of our dictionary. So we can simply say d dot values, and then it will return us the values. So now we are getting values array. The last method that I want to discuss is the pop method. Pop method will remove the item which we want to remove from the dictionary, and we can store that item in a single variable. Let us create a variable first. So the variable name is element, that is ele, and inside ele we want to store the popped item. So d dot pop, and then we will pass the key of that item. So here let us say I want to remove the green element. So for the green element key is 2. So I will pass 2 here, and then it will remove the green element. Now I can print the value of ele, that should be green, and then I can also print the dictionary. So green is popped out, and our dictionary has now only two values. First one is red and the second one is blue. So these are some of the methods which are very helpful to perform some operations on the dictionary. Please go through them. And uh, and now we have completed 2 units of our PPS syllabus. So from next session we will be starting with our third unit. Thank you.